so scandalous.
Hello, my name is Pojitar and today I will show you this luxury cruise to Bosphorus, and this is a whole scam. Just don't ever buy it, please. I will tell you everything that happened to us. They promised hotel pickup, they didn't come. We had to get there ourselves. And right, one of the worst driving experiences ever. It's all about the two of us. A one night stand just ain't enough. I need some stimulation, baby. A little conversation, maybe. You got me spinning around like crazy. There goes my baby. Scandalous, so scandalous.
Small in size, but someone is just like
the tour guide to your cruise just raises his hand in the air with flashlight on. Good work! First impression of the ship. It looked okay, but that's where the luxury stopped. The starters: dry bread, cold lips, sad salad, not even worth filming. Then came the show. Every act felt like a low-effort circus. You can't even see the stage from every seat. Oh, and they splash you with water. Why? So they can film you. One act, guests dancing while a woman walks around collecting cash. No joke. Then they ask for 140 euros for these blurry pictures. Dessert menu says baklava. What you get? 5 slices of fruit. If this is luxury, then we've seen better service in fast food. Thanks for watching, subscribe for honest travel reviews. Bye.